Digital product development is the way we think and the tactics we use to build digital software. Digital products have a life cycle, and they should adapt to meet market demands and user needs. Our unique approach is threefold. The first is we want to know why. If we can understand your business goals and objectives, we can better set ourselves up for success by putting in specific metrics to measure. Secondly, we want to be customer-centric. The more feedback we can get from real users, the better we can leverage that data to make prioritization decisions and to measure value of the product we're building. And lastly, we value agility, but we're not tied to any one method. We want to pivot towards the best opportunity and to be efficient as a product team so that we're using our investment wisely. Many companies try to mitigate risk up front by planning out the entire system. The problem with that is you just don't know that far in advance what value is going to mean to your customers, and market trends may pivot the entire organization in a different direction. If you improve delivery practices and change the way that your teams are working together, then you can get that modern software culture and still get the business objectives that enterprise leaders are looking for in those traditional practices.